YouTube has become a platform for people to show their true talents to the global market. Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Top 5 where we are looking into earnings of the 5 most famous YouTube channels. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and ring the damn bell already. So with that all lecture being done, let's get into it. So coming at number 5 is Logan Paul. Logan Alexander Paul, who first gained the internet fame from the warmer internet video source called Vine. After the platform shut down, Paul seen a huge subscriber number on YouTube. Logan makes an enormous amount of money from sponsors, clothing line, and all that kind of stuff. But as for today, we will focus on his YouTube earnings. Logan makes a huge stash of cash off YouTube, totaling $135,000 every month, and that is in dollars, obviously, and 1.6 million every fucking year. Talking about the Pauls, coming at number 4 is Logan Paul's 2 years younger brother, Jake Paul. Just like his brother, this young YouTuber has attained his fame by vlogging on a daily purpose. Jake Paul has a total of 822 videos uploaded on his YouTube channel, which are helping him make $236,000 every month, totaling 2.6 million every year. And number 3 on our list is Dude Perfect. These young dudes from the United States are undoubtedly perfect at what they do. This channel was started by the group consisting of Kobe and Cody Cotton, Gary Hilbert, Cody Jones, and Tyler Tonin, all of former high school basketball players and college roommates. The amount of money they made is very crazy, which is 1.1 million every month, totaling 12.9 million per year, just off YouTube. Nothing, right? This Irishman is a complete powerhouse when it comes to gaming. He started his YouTube channel back in 2012, and to this day he has 22 million YouTube subscribers and he makes $607,000 per month, and that totals $7.3 million per year just off YouTube. Before we move on to our number 1 pick, first of all, thanks to all of you who made it to here. If you liked the video, I would really appreciate if you would just smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for daily interesting lists just like this. Coming back to the track, our number 1 pick is the one and only Pewdiepie. Pewdiepie is the most subscribed channel on YouTube, and God help you if you don't know who Pewdiepie is. Pewdiepie has a huge 101 million subscriber number, and on the back of them he makes $2.1 million per month and 25.6 million per year. Now that is credible if you would have 101 million subscribers, but still it is very fascinating. Guys, that was our list for today. Make sure you give a thumbs up to the video before you go, and that is what energizes us to make more great content for you. And thanks to all who watched the video.